How to report a post on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report a post on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on the search icon. Seen posts. So for example, I'm gonna click on this one and click to report this post. All I need to do is click on those three points up there and click on report. You choose the reason why you're gonna report this post. For example, I just don't like it. And next. And hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and help us with like.